Hello viewers, welcome to Ideal English Tutorial. Today I get a new student. She will speak on the topic of a debate. So the topic of the debate is money is important for our happiness. So in the beginning I will introduce her with you. So what's your name and class?
My name is Devoshmita Nandi. I am a student of class 9.
Okay, so the topic is money is important for our happiness. So, will you speak for the motion or against the motion?
I will speak for the motion.
Okay, very good. So, all the best for you. So, let's start.
I am in favor of this statement because I think money is all. Nowadays, we cannot spend a day without money. From morning to night, we use money. I am in favor of this statement. I will explain some points that will interest you. Firstly, food, shelter, and clothes are very important for living, and we get these with the help of money. When we get up early in the morning, we take our breakfast. But how do we get our breakfast? We get our breakfast with the help of money. Money helps us to buy food or vegetables or anything. Then clothes are also very important, and we get these clothes with the help of money. The most important is shelter. Without shelter, one can't live a healthy life. So shelter is very important. And for getting a shelter or making a house, money is very important, because without money we can't get a shelter or we can't make a house. So money is important. Secondly, one should have money if anyone wants to do higher study or make career or fulfill his dream, because without money one can't do that. Because exercise books, pencils, good tuitions, good coachings, good teachers are very important here, and we can't get those without money. Thirdly, there is a saying, health is wealth. To keep our health well, we should be hospitalized or we should be under good treatment, and for that money is used, because medicines are very important and we buy this with the help of money. Mm, Besides, we have to pay the doctors or hospitals. So I think money is important. Fourthly, what we desire is entertainment. We go festival, fairs, zoo, we go to watch movies, and for that we should have tickets. And for buying tickets we should have money, because without money we cannot buy tickets. So money is very important. In my opinion, money is very important, and without money our life is meaningless and valueless.
So, viewers, Devosmita has spoken about the importance of money in our life. I hope that you have enjoyed her speech. Actually, this kind of class is being uploaded in my channel only to inspire the students, only to give the students a message that if we all practice and if we all try to speak English, we all can. So, all the best, Devosmita. Viewers, if you like the video, please do like, share and comment. Love English. English will love you.